Hey guys, I'm Mila, the housekeeper, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bed with a duvet cover. As you can see, the fitted sheet and the flat sheet are already on the bed. I prepare the duvet cover and the bed with the open part at the end. Then you get the duvet insert and arrange it with the tag at the end of the bed. Pick up the top corner of the duvet insert, grab the duvet cover, and follow the seam to the top, and pull down the sides. Do the same for the other side. Straighten it up as best as you can. Now I'm pulling the flat sheet up so I can fold it into the duvet. The guest should be sleeping in between the fitted sheet and the flat sheet, not in between the flat sheet and the duvet. I like to fold over the top of the sheets twice to make room for the pillows. Now I'm tucking it all in because I think it looks more cozy that way. Now I'm folding the tips of the sheets in a triangular shape. Now let's place pillows. Sometimes I like making them stand up and perky, but in this case I'm laying them down flat for a more chic look. Make sure the open ends of the pillow face each other. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, and share for more.